QUIXX, repair it yourself. A second of distraction while parking your car and you've hit a curb. This can happen to anyone, but we can help you. With the QUIXX Wheel Repair-Kit, you can repair damaged rims easily and cheaply without going to a repair shop for big money. With the do-it-yourself set from QUIXX. You can take the wheel off if you prefer, but you don't have to. It's as simple as this. Clean the wheel thoroughly using a wheel cleaner. Tape the damaged area well. Then pre-treat the damaged area with the gray sanding paper. After that, clean and dry again. Now get in the gloves. Cut off the suitable amount of liquid aluminum and put the rest back into the container. Knead well for a minute until you have a gray ball. Like this. Now apply the suitable amount of filling material to the damaged area until it has reached nearly the original shape of the wheel. You can work with your hands or use a knife. Perfect. Let the whole thing cure for 2 hours. Time flies while you're looking at other products from QUIXX. Next, sand the filled area with the yellow 100 grit paper until it has reached the original shape of the wheel. Next, sand with the 600 grit paper until the area feels smooth. Now damp the gray 600 grit paper with water and go over it a second time. Perfect. Now you can see the difference. Shake the paint well for 1 minute. Here we go with the paint job, consistently one layer after the other. Afterwards, allow curing for 2 to 3 hours. Great! And it's you who did it! Repeat the paint job if necessary. See how beautifully your wheel shines again? Inexpensive professional results and the unbeatable feeling of having done it yourself. We can help you out with other kinds of repairs too, to see for yourself. QUIXX, repair it yourself.